gonna say it's open. What? What? What's up, buddy?
Bruh.
Damn it!
Yeah, this was bad.
You gotta spray it. You gotta do it at least once.
I'm not spraying that.
At least
Fuck
one
you.
time. At least once.
No, screw you.
Why?
Because screw you.
Why don't we just like walk around Walmart or something like that?
We tried
spray
that.
it?
We did that.
We can if you want.
We could get better reactions doing that.
We can if you want.
We did that.
That looks okay.
That looks suspicious. We're walking around the mall with no bags.
We can buy my
champion.
We can buy my champion
It's cold as hell out
sweatshirt.
here, man. Why you got the windows rolled
We can buy
down?
my champion sweatshirt at the Walmart.
Oh, okay.
They don't sell them at Walmart.
I'm pretty sure they do, man.
No, they
Yeah,
don't.
I think they do.
You can do it at the mall.
They don't sell them at Walmart. Can I get my spray
drive-thrus?
back, please?
No, I don't trust you.
I'm not. Why would I spray it and
Because
not in the
you're a
car?
fucker, that's why.
I'm not gonna do that. That shit stinks.
Soy el fuego armati. Soy el fuego. Pablo, it's me. Look, Maria.
Oh my gosh, I can't.
You got it, buddy. Stop laughing. Stop making me laugh, bro.
Rerun?
No, you got it. To pretend like you're pranking me. Awesome, thank you. Appreciate it, that's awesome of you.
Bruh.
Dude!
You didn't scream.
Going somewhere else, we're doing it right here. Okay. Can I get another water, please? Sorry, she's thirsty. Alright, blow the horn, now I'm gonna scream,
Okay, so
okay?
you're waiting on me.
Yes, waiting for you to blow it, and that's what's gonna scare me, okay? God
That
damn
is
it.
funny shit, bro.
Perfect. Awesome, thank you. Oh my god! You asshole! Sorry!
She's like, what the fuck?
Yeah, just sitting here with my thinking cap on, and I just wanted to point out something real quick. My boy's voice sounds like a freaking tea kettle. Listen again, just listen real quick.
No, thank you. Hey, listen, man. Hey, you guys got agua? Water?
Cups of water, yes.
Oh, okay. Can I get the gold cup?
Just one cup of water?
See, yeah, I'll take one.
Very thirsty.
That's it.
All right, so full, please. Water?
Yep. Oh, shot!
Water?
Yep. Oh, shot! God damn it! Fuck!
I got you, mister.
Oh, shot!
Hopefully, they might have heard it. Can you imagine that?
Alright, we are armed now.
Hi, how we doing? Hi, how we doing?
I need yoga.
Good, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my god! Good, thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my god! Jeez, what an asshole!
She's gonna get pissed as fuck.
Is she?
You wanna do it?
No, I had the water. Just the water.
Oh, she...
You should have. It was free.
Honestly.
Oh, yeah, you should have taken one.
Was it
Oh,
McDoubles?
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. I
Oh,
actually
fuck.
had-
Ready. Get ready. Awesome, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! Ah! Awesome, thank you. I appreciate it. Oh my god! Whoa! Ah!
Oh, shot!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh fuck. Thanks for watching. Bye.